Welcome back to MS Word tutorials. Today we are going to see how to insert a watermark in Word. Watermark, it is a background image that displays behind the text in the Word document. It helps us to identify the manufacturer or brand to which a particular document is related. Okay, let's see how to insert a watermark in document. Go to page layout on the ribbon. You can see here watermark in the background section. Click on this drop down button. Select the watermark that you want to insert in the document. Okay, I'm selecting this. So as we can see, watermark is inserted in the Word document. Okay, and we can customize watermark also. In the Word document, there are two types of custom watermarks. Okay, one is text watermark and one is picture watermark. We will see how to insert a text watermark in Word. Okay, uh, click on this drop down button. You can see here option has custom watermark. Click on that. You can see here picture watermark and text watermark. If you want to insert a picture has a watermark, you can select this. I want to insert a text watermark here. I'm selecting text watermark here. Okay. See here, click on language here. Click on language. Select the language which you want to insert. Okay, and type the text that you want to insert here. I'm typing my name and select the size also here. You can select the size here and you can change the font also and you can change the color here. Once you are done, click on OK here. Okay. We can see the text watermark was inserted in the document. And also you can change the layout of this watermark also. Okay. See here, layout. I did not set this. If you want this layout has a diagonal, click on this, click on OK. So this is how we can change the layout also. And how to insert a picture watermark. Click on this drop down button, go to custom watermark, select this picture watermark, select the picture, click on insert here. Once you have done, click on OK. See, you can see the picture watermark here. So this is how we can, and also we can insert here a beautiful image has a watermark, and you can also insert a logo also. Okay, logo will comes under this picture watermarks only. You can insert a logo or you can insert a picture in this picture watermarks. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.